Alright, here we go, Mr. Chevymod.
Yeah.
Hey, I heard these two fatheads were talking smack about us.
Yeah, and Grand Theft 5. I caught him.
Oh.
What's the Big Show selling weed?
Oh, that's
This is a
it.
tornado-style tag team matchup. Like a tornado, this one's going to be fast and furious. With this kind of attack, you have to wonder just how much longer they compete in this match. Yeah, I completely agree. There it is. The Patriot. I'm going to tell you, that is painful, folks. Looking good so far. Not much damage, if any, has been absorbed. Oh, wait. Nice reversal.
Oh, you stupid back
What's the impact there?
By the way, shorts, man.
Yeah, man, don't you know it's 80 below degrees weather outside?
Dan, he's still down after that move.
That's very cold. Might not even be a such thing, but it's cold.
Complete domination here.
All right, buddy.
Ah! Just trying to
Oh, you
get his
fucker.
opponent into making a mistake here.
Stupid.
Not today, too fast.
Mr.
Oh, look,
Bob
his
Lesnar,
head's on him.
they're gonna have to feel this.
Okay, did you put...
And it's Big Show getting a
Oh.
that's it. He's out.
I don't think this is elimination, but we'll see.
Going after the arm.
No, did you put bleed
Oh,
on?
yeah.
Ain't gonna be long now. Right. His minutes are numbered.
I got blocked right here. Come here, buddy.
Come on, Mr. Fathead.
And he touches that one. We might be seeing there's no coming back from that.
I gotta get my signature.
Into the ring with a
Uh-oh.
man who has to buy a third
Run.
seat.
Ah!
He's making a statement here with this attack.
Here we go.
Uh-oh, look at this.
Uh-oh.
He's in
Nice knowing you,
full-on
Brock
attack
Lesnar.
mode.
Jangle.
Uh-oh. Turnbuckle powerbomb. Oh, man, that was painful. And this has got to be it. They got him.
Okay, here comes there's Mr.
End
Big
of
Show.
story. This one's over.
Hang on, let me do my finisher on him.
We're gonna keep this video going a little longer.
Alright.
Let's make his whole body red.
Alright.
Choke slam.
I'll work on his legs.
There you go.
Oh, his whole body is red.
Uh-oh.
Yep.
So damaging.
So you can get your finishers. I got 2 finishers. I want to bust up on this guy.
He's moving like an uncaged
We're,
animal.
we're busting his head open.
Wild in there. One move after the other. It's devastating. This is hard to watch. This is going to be bad. When this guy's on, look out.
Oh, he's yellow.
Go in for the big one. That's it. He's done. He's pulling out all the stops tonight.
You're going corner, buddy.
He's got him hooked. Uh-oh.
Bye, Mr. Big Show. Woo!
Yeah, think I got something that makes his face bleed.
Uh-oh.
Here, get him up.
Power bomb. Oh, man.
Get up,
that
boy.
was painful.
Alright, watch out.
We know it. Superman punch.
Aw.
Kryptonite in sight. Oh,
Son of a
man,
bitch.
like a bird, a plane up in the air. What a Superman
Alright, sir.
punch.
I'll do the very well attack on you.
He's showing no signs of letting up.
Ah! Stop it.
King, just look at this man. He's all fitness. And that's the way he has to be if he wants to win here tonight. This might not end well. Nowhere to go.
Sir? I got
Working on
3
his,
finishers.
working on his
God, that's got to
legs.
hurt. Yeah, you're not doing any damage with
Oh, yeah.
strikes
Watch.
like that, but
Look
keep
at
it.
him.
That's it. He's out.
Oh, you want to get back up? Huh?
We know what this is.
Another one.
Better
Another
not do
one.
the big punch on you. He might make your face bleed.
How many victims have suffered the same fate?
His legs hurt.
He's making a statement here with this attack. Submission holds locked in, and he's in big trouble.
Oh, they're orange.
strength and power he can muster to escape this.
Yeah, they're red.
Now work on his arms.
We're looking at complete domination here. Not this.
Oh, man.
It's got to be over now. Uh-oh. Here we go. There's no coming back from that. And he gets out of the way. Quick thinking to avoid that.
Oh, good thing you didn't reverse your finisher, Mr. Kane.
Oh, I know. He's gonna get a famous choke slam as well. Go
Look
ahead.
out.
He reversed it.
Now
Oh,
that's how
You
you
figure
make a
that should
statement.
bust his head open.
It doesn't. It hits the jaw.
Like, stop running.
Oh. How you like that,
Now,
huh?
who does a methodical pace benefit, King? Well, I'll tell you, whenever the dominating
Hey,
competitor
sorry,
takes
sir.
his time, it
Sorry,
gives
sir.
everybody a chance to catch their breath.
Yeah, hurry, grab. Here we go. Yeah.
Ah!
He may be in the best physical condition I've ever seen him in.
Let's make this whole body red.
That's what I'm
Uh-oh.
gonna
He's
do.
in full-on attack mode now. The end may be near.
Oh yeah, buddy. This is for what you did in the steel cage to Mr. Chevymod. Remember that, buddy? Remember that, Mr. Chevymod?
I've seen this before. That's it. He's
No.
done.
You don't remember when he grabbed you when you tried to get out of the steel cage and yanked you off the steel cage?
Oh, I beat him.
Yeah, I know you beat him, but he still yanked you off of it. And he made you mad.
Sound of this crowd, I think they're getting what they wanted.
Come on, ref.
He's showing no signs
I
of
tell you
letting
not.
up. He's got him. No.
Dump it.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, this ref is getting it. Come here, ref. Can I put a submission on you?
Oh.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, what's he got in mind? We're looking at
Oh.
complete domination
Punk
here.
Kane.
Well, the trick
Oh.
sometimes when you get
Oh,
outside
look.
the ring,
Two
it's
tables to
impossible.
bust
Yeah,
him.
that's
The match
busting two
becomes
tables.
almost secondary when you get near all these dangerous objects.
Okay, let's make him go home with a tooth. Watch this. Come on, buddy. Come on. Remember this, mister?
There's going to be a lot of
Just
offense in this match. Wouldn't have it any other way. That's what I'd love to see. That's it.
Alright, Mr. Kane, you do it. Throw him in that corners.
Alright. Yeah.
Right there in the
This is a
freaking ring
wreck.
post.
He's moving like an uncaged animal. Oh, lie. He's wild in there. Oh, out here you have to be able to think on your feet lightning fast.
Uh-oh. Here we go. Listen closely, ladies and gentlemen.
One hesitation, and you could find yourself in a world of hurt.
Oh.
Oh, you made his head bleed.
His head bleed, dude.
Don't mix.
Ah, nah.
Horse can end a career.
I knew his head would bust like a watermelon.
Look out.
No.
Oh, no. We know
Bust
what
him through
this
that.
is.
Oh, right to the freaking steel.
It doesn't get much better than that right there.
Right through the steel, man.
Alright, sir, you ain't done yet. Get up. Let's
Just look at this man. He's all business, and that's the way he has to be if he wants to win here tonight.
out.
Oh, well, we're on the move here. We're looking at complete domination here. Now that's how you make a statement. Well, the trick sometimes when you get outside the ring is survival. The match becomes almost secondary. Oh, submission. The hold's locked in. Each of these
Oh,
competitors
stupid, don't want to break.
the slightest hint of a weakness in the other. Well, that's a strategy you have to always have in the back of your head, Cole. If you ever see a weakness in your opponent, you got to jump on it. A bit of contempt coming through on that slam. When he gets going like this, there are a few, but it'll take a minor miracle to come
There
back
you
from
go.
this.
Now you want to put him through the corner, B?
Uh-oh. This could be all she wrote. That's it. He's done.
I don't think Big Show's ever want to mess with us after this.
Don't get up.
If it was on that cricket, it would be over.
Oh, he is.
Trying to get under his opponent's skin with this one. We're looking at complete domination here.
Alright, get him up on here. I want to do the OMG off the
I'm not
ropes.
sure I can watch
Alright,
this.
hang on.
Right here, right here.
Let me break
This
him.
is not going to be good. He's got it locked in. Will this be it?
Oh, the ref ain't out there.
See what you're doing. You're back.
Nowhere to go. This is not the position you want to be in.
There we go. Get up. Get up now.
And he failed
Get
to
him a
connect
throw
with
in here.
anything that time. Man,
Throw his
that
little
was
funk
some
in
miss,
here.
all right. I could feel the breeze all the way over here. Bringing it back between the ropes, and
Come on,
that's a
little
good
punk.
thing.
Oh, he's hard to move. Watch out, Kane.
He's taking a lot of punishment.
Here, I'll put him on the ropes.
It could eventually affect his vision.
Just throw him out.
Already seen stars.
You gotta go like this.
Nice reversal
Ow!
for the Big Show. Yeah, man. It's crazy to see a big guy move like that. Extra slow getting back to his base here. We're looking at complete
John Cena.
here.
Alright, let us.
Look
Yeah.
out.